Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our health channel. Today we're going to talk about superfoods. Not just any superfoods, but 10 superfoods that can help boost your immunity. So, if you're interested in staying healthy and strong, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. When it comes to boosting our immune system, these foods can be particularly effective. So let's start the countdown. Let's start with berries. Packed with antioxidants and essential vitamins, particularly vitamin C, berries are a delicious way to strengthen your immune system. Blueberries, for example, have been found to increase the activity of natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in our immune response. You can toss them into your yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them just as they are. Next up, we have spinach. Popeye's favorite food is not just for strength, but also for a stronger immune system. It's loaded with vitamin C, numerous antioxidants, and beta-carotene, which can increase the infection-fighting ability of your immune system. Making a spinach salad or adding it to your pasta are great ways to incorporate this leafy green into your diet. Garlic has been known for its immune-boosting properties for centuries. It contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Whether you add it to your stir-fry or put it in your soup, garlic adds a flavor punch and health kick. Ginger can help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and other inflammatory illnesses. It's a great ingredient to add to your dishes, and ginger tea can be a comforting brew. Turmeric, a key ingredient in many curries, also helps in boosting our immune system. It contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects. A golden milk latte, perhaps? Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which is key to maintaining a healthy immune system. They make a perfect snack on their own, or you can chop them up and add them to your oatmeal. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, which can enhance immune function. It's also a great source of the amino acid L-theanine, which aids in the production of germ-fighting compounds. A cup a day can do wonders. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that gives the skin of the potatoes its orange color. Beta-carotene is a source of vitamin A which helps in the health and integrity of the skin and mucous membranes that line our respiratory tract, a first line of defense against pathogens. Enjoy it baked, roasted, or even in a pie. Kiwi is another fruit packed with essential vitamins, especially vitamin C and E, both of which boost the immune system. Add it to your fruit salad, or enjoy it on its own. Last but not least, chicken and turkey. Poultry is high in vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in many of the chemical reactions happening in our body, including immune response. And there you have it, folks. 10 superfoods to boost your immunity. Incorporate these into your diet and give your immune system the boost it needs. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods once, it's about incorporating them into your lifestyle consistently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tips.